Hello, Jesmar. Good morning or good evening. Um, Today we're gonna talk about prices and money, okay? Prices and money in English. So, first we're gonna start with vocabulary. The first word is price. Repeat 3 times, please. Price. 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 The second word is dollars. Repeat 3 times. Dollars. 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 Very good. The third word is cents. 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 Repeat 3 times. Okay, now cents in English means centavos. So it could be singular or plural. So this right here is plural. It will be 2 cents, 2 centavos, or 3 cents, or 4 cents. Singular would be 1 cent, un centavo. Got it? Okay, so we have the word, cents. Very good. Next word is change. Change. Repeat 3 times. Change. 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 Very good. Change is cambio or vuelto. Okay? Now, next is 100. Repeat 3 times. 100. 100. 100. Sorry, the pronunciation here would be 100. 100. Very good. Excellent. Let's continue. The next word is thousand. Listen very well to the pronunciation. Thousand. Repeat 3 times. Thousand. 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 Very good. Next word is discount. Oh, by the way, thousand means mil, okay? Or miles is a meaning of thousand. Then we have discount, or in Spanish, descuento. Repeat 3 times. Discount. 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 Very well. Next word is percent. Porcentaje. Repeat 3 times, please. Percent. 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 Okay, so here we have one amount of money. So this would be read $1.99. Okay, listen one more time. $1 and 99 cents. So let's explain that a little bit. The first is this one, the dollar, okay? So let's put it in color red. 1, then you go with the word dollar. I'm sorry, let's put here 1, color red. Then you have dollar, color blue. $1, and then you have the point. The point would be and, okay? That means that there are decimals. And let's put it in green, okay? And 99 cents. Let's put 99 cents all in one color. 99 cents. Very good. One more time. $1.99. Perfect. Let's go with another amount of money. This would be read $36.87. Okay, repeat, $36.87. Very good. Next is $13.38. $13.38. $53.94. $53.94. Okay, this is a little bit harder. Now remember, there's the word hundred, okay? Hundred. $340.44. $340.44, or it would be $340.44. $340.44. Now next is this one. So the normal way to say this would be 1,400. $1,400. But because in English they say it different. They said first these two numbers 1 and 2, and then these two numbers 1 and 2. So it would be 14, and 2 zeros will be 100. 1,400. One more time, 1,400. So if you want to say this, it will be 1,100. Let's say 2,100. It will be $2,100. Or for example, let's say 9,600, or $9,600. Very good, very good. So next class we're gonna study some other dialogues to apply these numbers. Well, thank you so much, Shakespeare. Have a great day. See you.